Hi, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle. Today we have a really neat piece. 74 to 75 Rupp Centaur trike body. This thing is really neat. Fiberglass. I'm not sure if this is new or new takeoff. By looking at it, it sure looks like the mounting points are really nice, so it's hard to say if it was new takeoff or just poor storage, or I don't know. It's a toss-up, but the paint still shines. It's not perfect here and there, but you gotta remember it's 50 years old already, so it's been around. But man, it needs a really nice buff job, but it's pretty cool. I think it's neat. It's got a little trunk that opens up back here. Still has the Rupp emblems on it, so be real careful. Fiberglass is pretty delicate. For the interior, I don't know. I believe these outside two pieces for sure go with it, and they almost look like they're new because they have remnants of a price tag on both of them. They snap in real nice. Those two, I'm not sure. I also have another set of these and these, and I also have the front fiberglass section that goes on the front. I can't set it on there because it goes over the frame for the front end, but it's got a little booger here, but that could probably be repaired with some time. So I don't know if these square pads or that, like the pillion pads, the other pad, go to it or not. It all came with it when I bought it. Mila, what are you doing? I may separate some of the stuff, but especially this piece I don't want to separate from the body because I know that for sure goes together. But if you have like a Volkswagen trike or a nice everyday driver Rupp trike, this would be a really nice addition for you, or even something custom. I'm sure it would take a lot of time and effort to make something like that, so it looks like it's even got cutouts for maybe turn signals, maybe some brake lights, tail lights. It's really a neat piece. I can't say that enough. It's a really neat piece. Even Mila really likes it. So I just want to show this again here and there. It's not perfect. Some small scratches here and there, but no major damage of any kind on it. The snaps for the buttons all look so good. The holes look good. These look good. It still shines. So it needs a really nice cleanup. It needs a good home. I love having it on display here, but I'd love to see somebody do something with it and see it back on the road maybe even. That would be really cool. So if you're interested, let us know. Possible low shipping upon request. We do travel from time to time, and we usually take a truck and a trailer or van, so that could be talked about if you're interested. So we appreciate you looking, and glad you're checking it out. Really neat piece, and we'll keep showing you some more cool stuff if we come across it. Thanks for tuning in.